your heart. I can hear your heart. Your heart. I can hear your heart. Your heart. I can hear your heart. Your heart. Talking to you without falling down. And this house keeps getting darker. We used to laugh, now all we do is shout. If we cut in any corner, there's still a chance to make it right. So let's put our heads together before we lose our mind. Have I been holding on too strong? Maybe I'm coming off all wrong. Or is it our heavy-handed love keeping us from moving on? Feels like I'm treading water, trying to keep my head above the line. Hear the sound of you get soft. Lately you've been just so hard.
Hey, Alvin.
Hey, Shalini.
I was just asking you if you slept. I didn't even get to ask if you slept okay. You slept alright, you ate?
If what?
You slept okay and you ate?
Yeah, man, yeah, I slept okay and I had the granola thingy with milk.
Alright,
Yeah, man.
dear. That should be your breakfast. Alright, cool.
Yeah.
Safe journey.
Alright, take care.
Yeah, man.
Bluefields.
Moving on. I'm not ready to go tonight. I'm not ready to go tonight. I'm not ready to go tonight. Have I been holding on too strong? Baby, I'm coming off the wrong. Or is it our heavy-handed love keeping us from moving on? So today, after so much time, it felt just like it used to be. Talking for hours about a different life, surrounded us in memory. to door, drinking to the night. I wake up on the front room floor, all alone to be in my bed. Make me crazy, make me want you more. Oh, come around, if you